Okay, you are fanatics, welcome back to Bermuda Grass Central, and I bet you are clicking on this video. It's like, hey, wait a minute, this is a lawn care video. What does this guy know about making tea? Listen, I'm from the South, and this is how we do it. Okay guys, if you clicked on this video, you want to know how to make that delicious southern sweet tea. Now, I did an Instagram picture, and somebody saw a tea glass of one of my videos, all right? So they want to know how to make this tea. This tea is called sun brewed southern style sweet tea. Real easy to make, guys, not hard at all. All you need is a few items, and in this video, I'll show you how to do it. Guys, look, I chose to film this out here. You hear the AC running, you're gonna hear the sounds of summer. Kids jumping on a trampoline. This is how we do it, guys. And these are the only things that you need to get started. Now, I suggest that you get, and this is going to be for making a 1 gallon pitcher of sun brewed tea. Get your favorite spring water, guys. That's what I'm saying. Spring water, not regular drinking water. Get spring water. Spring water has a better, crispier taste to it. So if you don't have spring water, you can use regular water, but this is how you're going to get the best out of it. Get your gallon pitcher. Guys, it must be glass. You cannot use plastic doing this because you're going to have to sit this outside. All right. And now let me show you this. Lipton is not sponsoring this, but you can use whatever kind of tea leaves you want. I'm using the Lipton because it's readily available. Now you see the one that I got here is the Lipton Iced Tea Southern Sweet Tea. What's unique about that, guys, you don't have to add sugar. Now you can add sugar to taste, but normally what I've been using it, all I do is sun brew it, start drinking. And what's the lemon for? That's the cherry on the top. Okay, you sweet tea drinkers, what I'm about to show you is gonna make this taste better. Guys, you have to have a mason jar to drink your sun brewed sweet tea in. Do not drink it out of a plastic solo cup or any type of plastic. Drink it out of glass, guys. It's just something about it, man. It all goes together. And this right here, if you want to know what this is a Golden Harvest drinking glass. It's a drinking jar, that is, all right? And this is a mason jar, all right? You can find these on eBay, Amazon, any grocery store, but try to get the one with the handle on it because you're gonna have so much cold ice in here. You wanna be able to hold it the whole time you're chug-a-lugging. Okay guys, look, this is not hard to make at all. Now when you get this, it's gonna have the directions on the back, and it's gonna suggest anywhere from 4 to 8 bags. We're making a gallon. A gallon really requires 8 bags, but you can put as many bags as you want in here for your taste. Now for this formula, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use 6 bags of this tea bag. But before you do that, get your gallon of water, pour half of it in the container, well, a little bit more than half because you want to make sure the tea bags are in there. All right, stop it right there at a quarter. 75%. Take your tea bags, and if you see these guys, these tea bags are long like this, all right? Have that long. Okay guys, and now you see where I got these bags right here. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 bags in here. What you want to do is make sure that these are hanging on the outside. All right, put your top on it, and normally this one would lock down on it. But what I like to do is give it a little shake to try to wet the bags up so that they'll sit down in there. Now, the next step is to just let it sit there. Now, what we're gonna do, we're in the dirty, that's Atlanta, Georgia, if you don't know. I'm gonna let this sit out here for about 3 hours. Guys, if you stay in the state of Texas and it's 100+ degrees, I suggest an hour and a half, 2 hours. But what you want to do is to let this sun brew itself. I'll tell you why. Okay guys, what we're trying to do is use the power of the sun. Normally, when you make this sun brewed tea, you'll let it sit out there for a couple of hours and the sun will actually brew it for you. Now when you normally make it, you normally use hot water, and as soon as you put the tea bags in there, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes later, it's already brewed. But when you sun brew, you actually break open that tea leaf and all the flavor comes out. UV rays, for some reason, just makes it taste a whole lot better. Now, if you're from the South and your grandma or somebody, you know, back in the day, that's how they used to do it. Sit it out in the sun, and it was the best tea you ever had. You can get the same thing right now, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait about 3 hours and we're gonna come back and we're gonna taste it. As it brews, it's gonna get darker and darker and darker. So you decide how dark you want it, how long you want it to brew. But normally 3 hours, somewhere around there. Some people brew it longer than that, but wait at least an hour and a half before you get it. Remember, the darker it is, the more it's gonna be brewed by the sun. Okay guys, and while I was waiting on that tea to brew by the sun, you know, we went ahead and cut the yard, and you can see that deeper green than the neighbors, guys. That's called Crush Thy Neighbor. Guys, search hashtag Crush Thy Neighbor on YouTube for more BYD videos.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
3 hours later, you heard that, right? We got the tea made, it's brewed, ready to go. I got a cup, lemon slice on the bottle, some ice, lemon slice in the middle. You see that, guys? Some ice and a lemon on top. That's just that, give it that little southern twang there, guys. So okay guys, we got that made, and look, at this time, this is when you can add your sugar to your tea, but I suggest you taste it first with the tea that I told you about. See if you like it. If you don't, then you can always add sugar to taste. So this one does not have sugar on it, and you saw my lemon slice fall off. All right, we're gonna go ahead and fill that up, and I always suggest have some ice standing by, because if you're doing this while it's warm, it's going to melt. Got all that ice in there. So okay guys, we got that Georgia Southern sweet tea made, sun brewed. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh my God. Guys, you just learned how to make sun brewed tea the Southern style. So okay guys, if you're interested in videos like this and lawn care, guys, click that subscription button. You're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman. And I'll talk to you soon.